Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now we have to find a special number which is called build number, and it should be in the version. Let's enter the version, and the version number is available right here, which is the build number 2. So let's keep tapping on the version number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. After that, we can go back to the general list of the options of the settings and enter additional settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warnings, we can simulate color space. Here we've got some options connected with the animation and with the networking. So as you can see, quite a lot of options to choose from. If you want to apply the option, simply tap on the switcher on it, and it should be immediately activated and applied. Maybe let me show it to you on the pointer location. As you can see, it will be applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. Of course, you can customize them again. Just come back to the version number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.